approximately 4 feet 8 inches tall and weighing 80 pounds, with brown eyes and black hair. Unity Duran is described as a 12-year-old American Indian female, approximately 4 feet 2 inches tall and weighing 65 pounds, with brown eyes and brown hair. Investigators believe Eternity and Unity may have been taken by 61-year-old Larry Guerra, 5 feet 7 inches tall, 193 pounds, with brown eyes and brown hair. The three may be traveling in a 2006 red Dodge Ram 1500, with Colorado license plate U-O-L-507. If you have any information regarding this abduction, immediately call 911.
Program that we watch